In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at creating database snapshots and see how database snapshots can help you to recover from user error or administrator error. For example, a user deleting a row or an administrator dropping an entire table. So first off, I have created a database called test, and in this database I've created a single table called student. If I run a select on a student's table, you will notice that the table currently contains 5 users. Next, I'm going to run the following command to create a snapshot, and this snapshot is called test snap, and it's going to be a snapshot based on the test database. So I'm going to execute this command in SQL query window. And that's all that is needed to create our database snapshot. If I expand the database snapshot, I will see that the test snapshot exists, and it looks just like a typical database containing tables, and those tables containing columns. So I can query this snapshot just as I would query an actual database. So by using the following SQL code, I can query the students table in a snapshot, and I see that it contains the same information as the original database. So let's see how a snapshot can help you to recover from a situation where a user has deleted all rows within a table, or if a table has been dropped. So on the original database, I'm going to delete all rows. And then if I run a select statement on the original database, you will see that it returns no rows, indicating that there's no data in this table. So let's use our test snapshot, which we created a couple moments ago, to recover this data. So to do this, we need to run the following command. This command will restore the database test from the snapshot called test snap, which we created earlier. So I'm going to execute this in the query window. And now let's take a look at our table again in the original database by running a select statement on the students table. And here we see all the data has been restored to the database. So now you have seen how database snapshots can help you to recover from situations where user has deleted all rows in a table. Database snapshots are also useful for making a mirror database usable. And finally, if you'd like to delete a snapshot, it's just the same as if you were to delete a database by using the drop database command. So if I execute that and refresh the database snapshots page, I see that the snapshot no longer exists.